Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your PayPal account's username. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your username in PayPal, firstly open your Google search. Type in paypal.com and make a search. The official page of PayPal will appear on the screen. Log into your account if you are not logged in and it will take you to the home page of PayPal. Click on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen and tap on little gear icon right next to the logout option. Scroll down and click on change name option right next to your profile name. Choose a reason to change your name and tap on next. Edit your name and tick mark on the box that says I would like to update my name, then tap on update name option. This is how you can change your username on PayPal quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.